Welcome, mums and dads. If your child needs a boost or is stuck on challenging maths, you're not alone. I'm here to share tips and encouragement that have helped thousands of kids and their parents feel a lot more confident about maths. You're doing great. So let's get started. This is fractions 1, question 1. We're going to start with the keywords. Okay, so please tell me the keywords and I'll underline them as you go. Okay, a dress, a shirt, and a watch. Very good. What is the 1? 1 is what was spent on the shirt, and 5 is her money because of the word of, right? I told you that whatever comes after the denominator is the word. Whatever comes after the word of is the denominator. That's right. Sorry. Okay. So, Iwei, can you continue with the keywords? Yes, very good. Continue. All right. Now, I want you to tell me what is the 4. Okay. So, 4 would be the money, the amount of money. So, the money at first, right? And what is the 1? 1 would be the left. Very good. Chaoyang, what is the question? Okay. So, at first is the keywords here. So, now that we have completed the keywords from earlier, so we're going to do the rest of the questions. We will always start with the fractions, whichever we can see first, unless you find that something else helps. Okay, so now we have this. She spent 1/5 of her money on the shirt. So if she spent 1/5 of her money on the shirt, then Kayla, how many units do I draw the model to become? 5, right? Very good. So you use the denominator based on the fact that the denominator is 5. So now you should draw 5 units, okay? And since this is the entire model, you want to use a lot of space. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, something like that. Out of these 5, how many units was spent on the shirt, Kayla? 1, very good. So we are going to label this as shirt. And of course, this represents her money. All right? So here we go. This is her money. And this is the shirt. Very good. And they say to you that the shirt is 24 less than the dress. So my question becomes, if the shirt is 1 unit, if it is 1 unit, how much is a dress? Anyone wants to tell me? 1 unit plus 24. Very good. So the dress should be longer than the shirt. Okay, and I don't know how long, so you just draw any random place with it. So let's say this is 1 unit and this is the dress, then that makes this portion here 24. Okay, then you say, how do you know this is 24? I don't. Right? 24 could be here, could be here, it could even be here. I wouldn't know. Doesn't matter. All right, let's carry on. So, next. The watch is 102, and after she bought the watch, is there any money left? She was left with 1/4 of the money, right? So, before I draw the watch, what I want to do is I want to now draw the model again for her money. And this time round, why am I doing this? Because this time round, I want to know roughly where 1/4 is. So if I cut this into 4, then the 1/4 that she's left with will be here. If this is what is left, then this will roughly be what is left, am I right? And that means that this portion here is the what? Is the watch. Very good. Like what you see? Feel free to share this with other parents to help them benefit from these learning videos. Together, we can make math way less stressful for everyone. So I'm going to put here 102, right, watch, and this will be 102. Okay? And they say that this is 1/4. Right. Now, do you remember I taught you guys many times that when you do fractions, you want to do exchanging models? Okay, we're going to do that right now. And I want all of you to use your fingers to show me how many units you think the answer here should be. Now, this is no longer 1 unit, no longer 1 unit. So I'm going to erase this so that we don't get confused. Okay, I'm going to tell you the number of boxes here, and then you tell me how many units this is. Kayla, I need you to listen to this carefully. This is the most important part in modeling. My question is, how many units is this? Based on the number of boxes that you see here, how many units is this? Use your fingers, show me. Only 2 of you. How about the rest of you? How many units is this based on the number of boxes that I see here? That's right. Kayla, how many boxes do you see here? That's right. And because this is 4, Kayla, you're brand new to me, so you wouldn't know this, so it's okay. So this is 4 units. If this is 4 units, because of the 4 boxes here, can you tell me in the opposite now, right? It's the opposite. I want to put a certain number of units here based on the number of boxes I see here. Can you tell me how many units is the orange box? Please put out your hands. Show me your fingers. How many units do I write here? Very good. Very good. How many units is this? Based on the number of boxes on top. How many units is this? That's right. Okay, do you know where you get the 5 from? Yes, you do, huh? All right. So this would now, because of the fact that there are 5 boxes on top, then this one here should be 5 units. Why do we do that? Because when we do that, you got 4 units here, 4 units here, you got 4 units here, 4, 4, 4, and that makes a total of 20. If you look at the number below, 5 times 4 boxes would also give you 20. That is how you do such questions. You exchange the values. My next question to you would be this. How many units is this? So if this is 5 units, so if this is 5 units, then naturally this is 5 units, right? They are the same. Okay, and this is 4, and this is 4. I would like you all to tell me, if the total here is 20 units, how many units is this? There is no 0.5. There is no decimal. It's an exact number. Look carefully. The correct answer here is 20 minus 4 minus 4 minus 5, because this is 5. So 4 plus 4 plus 5 is 13, and 20 minus 13 is? So therefore 7 units. So this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take 20 units minus 4 minus 4 minus 5 to give me 7 units, and behind this I'm going to write 24 plus 102. Now, if this was in an exam and you find that the number that you get here is not divisible by 7, the chances are you are already wrong. Okay? So if you take 126 divided by 7, you will get a nice round number 18, right? Very good. So this will give you $18 per unit. And the question is, Joyce at first, and at first she has a total of how many units? So what I want to do now is I want to take 20 times $18, and my answer is $360. Okay, good. Well, I'm so grateful to be part of your family's math adventure. Remember, confidence grows with every small step. So please join our supportive community by commenting, subscribing, and tapping the bell. Want more resources? I've gathered them in the description below for you.